It's not doing anything to it. It's not sucking any nutrients out or adding any nuclear radiation.
Correct.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with radiation in the normal sense, other than electromagnetic radiation. It's already light from the bulbs. We tend to use radiation in the context of stuff that would hurt you. So that would be radiation of high enough energy to hurt you, and microwaves are not in that category. So it's a certain frequency of microwaves that beautifully pairs with the water molecule. It's why it heats the food and not the plate.
And then they watch one of these YouTube clips. They start actually believing that this stuff makes sense because it's unchecked.
And I would say it's not about whether they've had education. It's about whether the education they had teaches them skepticism of information and teaches them how to inquire.